Now let us see the Laplace transform of sine and cosine functions. So first of all, let us see the cosine function, that is cos omega t u of t. So the Laplace transform of cos omega t u of t, that is integral 0 to infinity cos omega t e power minus st dt. So this is of the form integral Laplace transform in the equation x of t e power minus st dt. So here x of t is cos omega t. U of t is nothing but 1 ആണ്, that is from 0 to infinity വരെ. So that is why the limit of integration here also equal to integral 0 to infinity. So cos omega t നെ നമുക്ക് Euler's identity യൂസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് e power j omega t plus e power minus j omega t divided by 2 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. So ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് ഓരോ ടേമും e power minus st കൊണ്ട് multiply ചെയ്ത് e power j omega t into e power minus st divided by 2 plus second term ആയിട്ട് again integration ഉണ്ട് outside ൽ again we are multiplying e power minus j omega t into e power minus st second term. Okay, ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് രണ്ടായിട്ട് split ചെയ്യാം. So e power j omega t divided by 2 into e power minus st, അതുപോലെ second term എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ e power minus j omega divided by 2 into e power minus st. So in fact, this is if you don't know, if you have any confusion, if you have any doubt, ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് ഈ രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. x plus y by 2 into say z. Okay, but this is nothing but x by 2 plus y by 2. So in the outside there is z. So again we can multiply by z. X into z divided by 2 plus y into z divided by 2. I know that you already know about it, but I have just given you the explanation of that step. So we can see ഇതിനെ രണ്ടായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. The first term നമ്മൾ e power minus s minus j omega divided by 2 dt ആണ്. നമ്മൾ അത് integrate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we already know it. So ഈ 2 in the denominator, so that comes here as 1 by 2 പോയിട്ട് integral of e power this term, that is nothing but divided by s plus upper limit നമ്മൾ apply ചെയ്യുന്നു, lower limit നമ്മൾ apply ചെയ്യുന്നു. Okay, so when we are applying the upper limit, you know, so what we are getting here when we are applying the upper limit, we know that in the first function, so in the case of this function upper limit, when we are applying the upper limit, look here, that will become 0, and when we are applying the lower limit, that is equal to 1. So first term in the limit apply 1 by s minus j omega, which is in the denominator. Second term in the that will be equal to 1 by 2 is here, plus 1 by 2 comes here. Now upper limit apply 0, lower limit apply e power 0, which is equal to 1. So in fact minus 1, this minus cancel out ആയി പോകുന്നു. What remains there is x denominator ഉള്ള s plus j omega ആണ് അവിടെ remain ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So 1 by 2 take outside, രണ്ടിനകത്തും 1 by 2 കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നു. അതിനുശേഷം ബാക്കിയുള്ള രണ്ട് ടേംസ് s minus j omega plus s plus j omega കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നു. In fact ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇത് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് what remains 2s, numerator you can see s plus s, that is 2s, j omega minus j omega that cancel out ആവുന്നു. Denominator is of the form s plus j omega into s minus j omega, which is s square minus j omega whole square. This is nothing but minus of j square, which is equal to again minus 1 into omega square. So this is s square plus omega square. So that is the result, final result, s by s square plus omega square. Here also the real part of s greater than 0 എന്നുള്ളതാണ് region of convergence, which we have just seen in the last problem. The same way we can also find the Laplace transform of the sine function. So what is the Laplace transform of sine function? Sine omega t, Laplace transform of sine omega t into u of t. Okay, So sine omega t can be written as e power j theta and e power say minus j theta divided by 2j. So that is a Laplace transform function, first function. The Laplace transform of the second function. 1 by 2j is taken outside. So 1 by 2j is another constant that is taken outside. 1 by 2j goes outside. So what remains the Laplace transform function, first function, that is e power j omega t u of t. Second function or the Laplace transform minus into Laplace transform e power minus j omega t u of t. So this will be 1 by s minus j omega and second one is 1 by s plus j omega. Combine ചെയ്യുന്നു. So ഇത് simplify ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കിനും what we are getting here is 1 by 2j into 2j omega. So you can see in the numerator കാണാം s plus j omega minus s plus j omega. So s ഉം s ഉം ആണ് cancel out ആവുന്നത്. What remains there is 2j omega. Okay, 2j omega. 2j cancel out on omega by s square plus omega. Region of convergence, a real part of s greater than 0. So that is the Laplace transform of sine function. Omega divided by s square plus omega square. Thank you.